Proud Trading News, tapos walang SL, sabi ni Kevin. So he's talking about this post nung kailan na kung saan nag-trade ako ng NFT, nakakuha tayo ng 5,000 pesos sa trade na to dahil walang stop loss. And mind-blowing talaga siya, especially pag bago ka sa trading. Pero alam nyo ba, kahit Wall Street and hedge fund companies na nasa US at kahit dito yung mga insurance company, ginagamit tong strategy na to. So ang tawag sa strategy na to guys is hedging, no? So usually ginagamit to today ng mga big companies to diversify assets portfolio and fund managers para mas less yung risk for the investors. Kahit di ganun kalaki yung reward, pero less yung risk. Kasi you're offsetting or you're betting on both sides, no? Kahit papaano, para mas maliit lang yung losses mo. Hindi ganun kalaki yung profit, pero kahit papaano consistently kang kumikita. Yun nga ang kakaiba sa when we use hedging. Doesn't require you to use stop loss. So ayun, no, bukod sa nakabay ako nun, may sell ako. Kita nyo ba? Ayun, no, may sell siya. Ayan. Kanya, yun nga, nagte-trade ng news. What about it? As long as you know how to manage your risk, bakit matatakot ka mag-trade ng news? Ang problem lang is kung wala kang set plan or risk management strategy in plan, doon ka matakot. Then sinabi ni Kevin na happy gambling. Well, thank you, kasi kahit naman sila Elon Musk, sila Jeff Bezos o other hedge fund managers na ginagamit tong strategy na to, is sabihin natin nagsusugal kasi they're willing to take a risk para kumita ng consistently na malaki and para magkaroon ng passive income, no? And again, win is your win. Trading is subjective, no? So, okay, bala.